Hey everyone, so let's talk about Dippy AI app, which is a character AI alternative. It's one of those character AI chatting apps where you can bring your AI friends and characters with tailored conversations just for you. Your AI friend knows your likes, dislikes, interests, inner thoughts, and encourage you to be the best version of yourself. So you can create characters, you can generate images. There is also unlimited free messages. So this is a really cool feature. That's why a lot of people like this app, because in other AI bot apps, you need to pay, quite a lot because your messages are limited quite soon. And with unlimited messaging, you can engage in endless dialogues completely free of charge. Experience the most engaging, empathetic, and fun chat immersion. All your friends actively learn more about you and have perfect memory. Cool illustrations that showcase their mood based on what they're thinking. Characters that feel alive and playful. So yeah, here is the app. Chat with your AI friends. Discover new characters. Create and share your own chats that feels alive. And also there are widgets. This app for some reason is not in top charts. I don't know why. It's actually quite cool. But yeah, let's take a look. So here is the app, and here is the UI. It's a bit different from Talkie AI or from Character AI. It's a very nice design, I would say. And then yeah, you can just discover and find some characters to chat with. So for example, you can just select some character. You can see the tags. You can pin it, or you can just tap chat now. And then you need to confirm your age sometimes for some characters. So I don't know. Uh, anyway, let's just talk with in here. So then you can just send any messages. This is how it looks like, quite fast. Then you have suggestions. You can, if you want, you can request image, but that requires credits. So not everything is free in this app, to be honest. So yeah, then you can just send photos. You can select camera, and then you have like suggestions for a chat. There is some like haptics feelings in the font, so it's nicely designed app. You can then also see view memories for, okay, so then you need to upgrade. Clear chat character memo, then clear chat. You can pin the chat, and that's basically it. So that's how it looks like. To be honest, it's not as advanced as some Talkie AI apps where you have in chat you have a lot of customizations features like 20 different buttons, video, audio calls, all of these different types of memories and all of things. So yeah, here it's not that. So that's what it is. But then yeah, you have it here. You have your profile. Then you can see your characters which you created. You can see that there are like 148 chats already with my character, which is quite cool. I don't know how to see all other stats for my character, which I just created with this app, and people are chatting with it. So then you can see that you get in some rewards. So you can see that, and then so you can see what you're getting in here, and then you also have streaks. So this app, I think they have some nice inspiration from Duolingo. They have a lot of these gamification features and features which push you to spend more time on the app, like these streaks, these badges, and some of the design features even are quite similar to yeah, quite similar to Duolingo. And then you can just tap create, and then here you can just easily create your own chat bot. So here you can enter prompt, background, text, chat, image, preview. So just create your own chatbot. I don't know if you can monetize it anyway, but That's what it is. And then again, there is your profile. You can explore super subscription where you just have no ads, and which is $100 per year or $10 per month. So quite simple pricing. There is 3-day free trial on yearly package. And what you're getting: no ads, image sharing, memory, resync app icons, priority support, and yeah, some smart, more smarter responses and enhanced memories. So if you want that, you can upgrade. You can upgrade app icons, and then you can use advanced models from here. Then there is your name, and then yeah, you can, I guess you can delete account. You can also add widgets, and if you want, you can delete account in top right from here. Then there is like a dark mode in top right which you can use. What else? And that's it. So yeah, then you can also just see like a random character in here that you can use. So that's the idea. So yeah, something like that. What you have in here. Um, that's the app. A lot of people like it because yeah, here you can chat unlimited for free. There will be some ads, but yeah, you just have unlimited chat. So this is quite an advantage. And okay, let's try to install the widget. So if I try and here, and then I wanna, so here you have the widgets. You have only one type of widgets. Add your friends to your home screen. So then I just adding it here. This is the widget. It's a bit, so maybe you just need to enable some more features in this app. But yeah, that's basically what you have in here. That's the widget. And yep, then you can just edit it or something like that. And yeah, quite good ratings. Buggy but good, best one yet. Some people complain that this app is still quite buggy, but you know, I haven't noticed a lot of bugs, to be honest, so I'm trying it now. So this app I think was buggy a few months ago, but right now seems okay. It hasn't restarted. I was able to log in, log out, create share characters, chat. No bugs. Maybe a few UI bugs where you know chat is just overlaying other chat, but overall the basic features are working. So yeah, I think this app requires a boost and requires a bit higher rating. It's getting some traction. People are talking about it on TikTok everywhere. So you know, it's a nice character AI chatting app. So try it out.